Mike Tyson, you a bitch. Jake Paul, you a bitch. You a bitch. I said you a bitch. I said you a bitch. How the fuck you?
Dude, let's not waste any time. Let's just begin the episode. Roll camera. Cue the ident. The Office USA. The best show ever. Oh, what's the matter, Dottie? Are you gonna cry to your mommy? Ouch. Not my shin. It's Daddy Hardwood! Oh look, it's Pirate Me! Nerd! Great going, Walden. Your tantrum just planted Reggie and Racco into the ground. Oh my god, will you ever shut up, Wacko? Stop your crying! Anyways, let's dig our way out of here before the blood rushes to our brains. What's up, guys? Sorry I'm late. I was trying to choose what I was gonna wear today. I don't know. Fred, you're weird. Stop calling me that, suction cunt, you creep! Radiohead, 1993. Oh, I know what it is, King Ghidorah, and it's none of your business. Wait, really? At least I won't have to deal with these two. Okay, everyone, brace yourselves. Who is that? It's me, Radley Bolsh. Well, that's because I'm the real Radley Bolsh, Starfruit, you dumbass. Well, I'm here for Mario. It's because he's a Fred Durst imposter. I agree. Radley Bolsh, your performance is so disgusting. What are you calling disgusting, Simon Cowell? Or I'm dumping my waste all over you. Wait, there's two Radley Bolshes? Oh, hell no! Get out of here, imposter! You know I'm the real Radley Bolsh. Imposter? You should know I'm the real Radley Bolsh. Sauce? We're not in Among Us, you dumbass! No, you scram! What the? Ratafac Platcher? What are you doing here? No, Ratafac Platcher, that's my job to take Mario. No, it's my job, you imposter. You know what? I summon Ed from Good Burger. Hey, that's my line, you thief. No, you're an imposter. Ed, can you get the Radleys out of here? Alright, but we still need to deal with Ratafac Platcher. No need, Howie Mandel. I can handle this. Bring on the wall! Of course. But thanks Anton and Ed for getting the villains out of here. Anyways, let's return to the video. Well, it looks like we got the ident correct. Seriously? And this time I'll get to choose the place. Where else? Darren Malakian's beautiful steakhouse. Good night, everybody.